Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube account. So the first thing, you gotta type in YouTube Studio in the search bar. After that, click on the first link and it should take you to your channel info. After that, go down to settings and press channel settings. It's gonna be the second option. Press advanced settings and then scroll all the way down to manage YouTube account. After that, just click view advanced settings and you should see an option that says delete channel. But if you press that, it's just gonna delete your entire YouTube channel. So make sure to use it with caution because it will remove everything you've ever done on it. So that was the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.